Have you ever heard one of your favorite YouTubers talk about crowdfunding their channel and thought that can't possibly work? But somehow, they managed to make enough money on YouTube to leave their job and become a full-time content creator. You've seen it happen and heard it often enough to know it's real, but how do they do it? How do they make a recurring income from their fans without having to wait around for advertisers, brand deals, or affiliate sales? Stick around and I'll explain how they do it and how you can do it too. In this video, we're going to explore two of the most personal and potent ways creators on YouTube make money outside of ads: crowdfunding and donations. Whether you're a vlogger, teacher, gamer, artist, host, or storyteller, you can use these methods to turn your community into the financial force that drives your channel. You don't need millions of views, and you don't need tens of thousands of subscribers. All you really need is an audience to connect with and a way that makes it simple for that audience to support you. Let's get started. First, let's take a look at a few of the reasons why crowdfunding works. The driving principle behind crowdfunding is this: when people really love the content you create, they want to help you keep making it. Invested viewers become more than fans. They become your fans, investors in your growth, and champions of the message you deliver. But they need a simple, satisfying way to demonstrate that support. Crowdfunding succeeds precisely because it appeals to that desire to contribute. Rather than crossing your fingers and hoping viewers will click an ad or buy a product, you give them a direct way to support your content. Not just a clear way, but a personal way. A way that makes your supporters feel truly appreciated. It cuts out the middleman and provides a direct line from you to your audience. An even bigger reason it works is because crowdfunding isn't just about money. It builds a community of your followers. It deepens their loyalty and forms a circle of people who are emotionally and financially invested in your content. Building a relationship can power long-term success and independence for you as a creator. Now, let's look at the most popular platforms and what to do with each. First up is Patreon. This is arguably the largest and most popular crowdfunding platform for creators. Patreon allows you to establish various membership tiers, usually charged monthly, that offer your followers access to various forms of exclusive content, behind-the-scenes updates, or other perks. Great for anyone who can consistently deliver quality content. Then there's Buy Me a Coffee. This one is slightly more casual. It allows your fans the ability to send you small, one-time donations, like buying you a coffee, or subscribe to recurring monthly support. It's simple to get started, has lower fees than Patreon, and is ideal for creators that want a more straightforward option. Ko-Fi is also a reliable option. It provides support for both one-time and monthly donations, as well as selling digital downloads or accepting commissions. If you're an artist, designer, or digital work seller, Ko-Fi could be perfect for you. And then there are all of YouTube's own baked-in features. Features such as Super Thanks, Super Chat, channel memberships, and the tip jar enable your viewers to support your work in the place they first discovered you, YouTube. These are particularly handy if you're creating content for an audience who will want to remain on YouTube rather than hop off to a third-party website or platform. Each of these sites has its own flavor, its own target demographic, and its own special features. It doesn't so much matter which one you choose. Just use whichever one fits best with your content style and how you want to provide perks. So, now your page needs to be set up no matter which platform you select. Step 1 is to choose the platform right for you. If you can provide bonus content or similarly, community interaction, then Patreon is probably where you want to go. If you prefer a more lightweight and flexible option, consider either Buy Me a Coffee or Ko-Fi. And if you want to stay inside YouTube, check out the built-in tools they provide. Once you've decided on your platform, you should create a profile that represents your brand. Add a nice, friendly headshot to your profile. Add a banner image that coincides with the visuals on your YouTube. Write a brief, compelling bio that explains who you are, what your goal is, and why you're providing this opportunity for support. Make sure it's welcoming. People are also more likely to rally around you if they feel like they are joining something that is real and authentic. Next, figure out what you're willing to give in return. If you are on Patreon, you can create membership tiers with special benefits. This could be early access to videos, behind-the-scenes content, direct messages, shoutouts, or exclusive updates. If you're on Buy Me a Coffee or Ko-Fi, you're able to set up recurring support options, price your coffee amount, and include extras such as digital downloads or bonus videos. Keep it simple at first. Just 1 or 2 tiers or one base price point is all you need to get going. You can always add more later based on what your audience reacts best to. And be specific about what the support allows you to do. People love to hear that their money is going towards better gear, more ambitious projects, or the ability for you to spend more time creating. Transparency builds trust. Now that you've got a page up, how do you get people to actually visit it? The first rule is to make it easy to find and to talk about it often in a way that's totally 100% genuine. Begin by including your support page link in all your video descriptions. Keep it from getting lost by positioning it up near the top. Include the same link in your YouTube About section and attach it to your channel banner so viewers can click on it. Don't be shy about mentioning your supporter options in your videos. You could say something at the start or end of your video similar to, "If you want to help me keep making videos like this, you can support the channel on Patreon," or "VIF. If you like what I do and want to support the channel, you can buy me a coffee." You can also promote your support page link through pinned comments, cards, and end screens. Off YouTube, promote your supporter page on your social media profiles. Offer exclusive content teases. Celebrate your successes, whether that's recruiting your first, 10th, 20th, or 50th monthly supporter. You want your audience to feel like they're part of something special. Most important of all, always present it as an invitation, not a plea. Your members are not just supporting you, they are joining you on your creative journey. Now, let's discuss how you can give back. This is where a lot of creators get stuck, thinking that they have to offer huge bonuses to draw subscribers. But the fact is, value doesn't have to equal more work. It just needs to be personal and meaningful. Some proven benefits you can provide include things like behind-the-scenes content. Tell the world what your work process is like for video planning, video editing, and your daily grind. These are rare, behind-the-scenes things that fans don't typically see. Early access to videos. Put your content out for your supporters a day or two before you release it publicly. Bonus videos, post deleted scenes, bloopers, extended episodes, messages, or even fully exclusive video content only for your supporters. Voting power. Let your subs decide what you will do next. Let them vote on the topic you cover, what game you stream, or what series you continue. What is important is giving them a sense of inclusion and importance. Shoutouts. Thank people by name in your videos, descriptions, or social posts. Maybe mention your top supporters every video, or just shout out each new member one time. Private live streams or chats. Consider things like a supporter-only Q&A or creative brainstorming chats. Digital downloads. Give away wallpapers, templates, presets, or music tracks, whatever fits your niche. You don't need to give your supporters the full Monty. Just one or two of these perks can be alluring enough to attract and keep followers. Here's an example for you to consider. Hypothetically, let's say that an indie animation creator on YouTube with 9,000 subscribers set up a Patreon with two tiers of $3 and $5 a month. She offers relatively modest rewards, including early glimpses of new drawings and the occasional behind-the-scenes sketch. Over the course of time, she could easily gain enough followers to earn an extra $1,000 or more per month. This would allow her to freelance less and give her more time to dedicate to her content. There is no need to go viral. All that is necessary is to cultivate a loyal audience and offer them a way to contribute. Here are a few tips to help you effectively leverage crowdfunding and donations. Be consistent. Post regularly. Even if it is short, just a brief update or thank you post, your supporters want to know that you are still active and grateful. Keep it manageable. Begin with a single tier or even just one perk. There's no need for anything complicated to be effective. Concentrate on community, not just content. Have conversations with your supporters. Ask questions. Invite feedback. Thank your supporters often. Gratitude builds loyalty. And don't be discouraged by slow growth. Nearly all successful creators began small. One person joins, then 5. 5 becomes 20. The snowball effect is real, but it's not something you can just turn on overnight. To wrap it all up, crowdfunding isn't just a means to raise money. It's a way to connect more meaningfully with your audience. It is all about fostering a community that believes in what you do and wants to see you succeed. If you offer your audience an easy, clear way to stand behind you, and you stand up for them with authenticity and consistency, they will back you up. It's time for you to make more than just content. It's time to make a viable future as a creator. If you found this episode helpful, give this video a like. Subscribe for more creator tools and tips. And let me know in the comments, Do you already use Patreon or Buy Me a Coffee or another platform? In the next episode, we'll look at how to make money on YouTube by licensing your content. Until then, thanks for watching and keep on creating.